from Jentle Soaps, and today we're going to be doing gold bars of soap. I took some of my one of my leftover batches. The first time you use this, of course it's going to wash off. It's just like the techniques that you use for doing embeds. You want sparkly for just a single wash, but with melt and pour you can get this same effect, but it lasts throughout the whole bar. But it's kind of neat to have it in a cold process bar as well. Anyway, this was a custom order. I'm calling it the Goldfinger technique because we're making Goldfinger bars. Okay, so we've got our bars of soap in there, and this is a mixture of about three different types of gold micas. So I've got Aztec gold, I've got one of Brambleberries gold. We're going to do 3 bars at a time. And make sure you leave a little air in there. I'm just going to shake them. Now you may have to shake them twice to get the extra off. See, look, it all comes up. See how thick it is? So I have a second bag for shaking it off a bit. All right, so we'll put them in this bag. Or of course you can just use less mica. But this is how I've been doing it because I wanted it nice and thick. About a teaspoon of mica will do. I know mica in total about a teaspoon. It'll do 9 to 10 bars of soap. So it really doesn't take much. All right, so here's your secondary shake just to get the little extra off. And you can use these bags for, other batches of soap. There's my friend Leslie's, the rest of her birthday present. I'm going to surprise her with this. So she's getting squirrels at a rave and gold bars for her birthday, which is what she requested. I love doing custom orders, so if you want me to make you some custom soap, something completely unique, which is, these days and age, it's kind of hard to come by. I love to provide that kind of service. Know that you are providing for art, though. It may not be exactly what you imagine, but we'll do our best to coordinate our talents and ideas to make something like these Goldfinger bars, if that's what you want. So it's only messy the one time you use it, but totally cool. Look at that. Goldfinger. Bye for now, guys. We'll see you next time on the Jen Spice channel. Click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this kind of content. Again, as always, if there's something you would like me to show you, a technique or a type of product you'd like to see made or created or perfected, anything that I've made, if you'd like to see more, just let me know down in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.